Assalamu alaikum. My name is Siam. I am currently studying at Uttara University. Today I want to talk about two fraudsters who embezzled a large amount of money from a non-profit organization called SISP, which was meant for the poor and unprivileged. The first one is Shahid Anwar Shadin, with whom I had an 8-year-long friendship. The other one is Samia Islam Farzana. Both of them were involved with SISP and eventually they committed fraud. News of their fraud was published in the Bangladesh Today on Wednesday, 18th June 2025. Report information about the SISP Scholarship Fund fraudster. Shaker International Scholarship Programs (SISP), a non-profit organization operated in Bangladesh by Mr. M. Shaker, a citizen of the world, has reported a serious case of embezzlement involving its education scholarship programs. On April 12, 2025, approximately 1.8 million BDT in cash and office electronics worth 500,000 BDT along with other assets were misappropriated by two individuals formerly employed by the organization. MD Shahid Anwar Shadin, an honors student of Adamji Cantonment College, BBA Department, Father Shah MD Rafiqul Islam, Mother Shahnas Parvin, passport number A03760473, NID number 9590645207, permanent address Aujpara Sheikh Hajari Road, Post Office Nishadnagar, PS Tongi West, District Gazipur. Samia Islam Farzana, an honors student of Government Titumir College, Marketing Department, Father MD Idris Ali Rana, Mother MST Shilfi Begum, NID number 18715755891, address house number 2/19/48, 4th floor, flat 3A, road number 10, Mohammadpur, housing PS, Adawar, Dhaka 1207। উক্ত ব্যক্তিরা গত 2 বছর ধরে এসএসপি থেকে তাদের এবং পরিবারের জন্য নিয়মিত বেতন, স্কলারশিপ, অতিরিক্ত আর্থিক সহায়তা পেয়ে আসছিল। তবুও তারা প্রতিষ্ঠানের বিশ্বাস ভঙ্গ করে অর্থ আত্মসাৎ করেছে। তাদের বিরুদ্ধে আইনগত প্রক্রিয়া চলছে। মামলা নং CR 37120225 দায়ের করা হয়েছে। SISP অভিযুক্ত ব্যক্তিদের অবস্থান সম্পর্কিত তথ্য প্রদান করার জন্য আহ্বান জানাচ্ছে।